Hello children, hope you all are doing fine. Today we are going to learn about water. Water is precious. Save every drop. Water is essential for life. Humans, plants and animals need water to live. Rain is the main source of water on earth. Rainwater fills rivers, lakes, streams and ponds. What is groundwater? Some rainwater seeps into the soil and becomes groundwater. We can get groundwater by digging wells or with the help of hand pumps. Water from rivers and lakes gets cleaned and carried to our houses through pipes and taps. Drinking water. Water from rivers, lakes, streams and ponds may contain germs. This water is cleaned in big water treatment plants before it is sent to our houses through pipes. Drinking dirty water causes diseases and infections. At home, we should boil water before drinking. Boiling the water kills germs and makes water safe for drinking. We can also use water filters for cleaning water. Water used for drinking and cooking should always be stored properly. Saving water. We can save water by following some simple rules. Always close the tap while brushing teeth. Never allow water overflow buckets. Clean the car using water from a bucket and not with a hose pipe. Wash fruits and vegetables in a bowl of water and not under running tap water. Use water left in your water bottle to water a potted plant. Use a watering can to water plants. What is water cycle? The journey of water from the earth to the sky and back to the earth is called water cycle. The heat of the sun heats up the water of rivers, lakes, ponds and seas. Some of this water changes into water vapor and rises up in the sky. These cool down to form clouds with tiny droplets of water. These droplets join to form big heavy drops. The clouds cannot hold them and they fall down in the form of rain. I hope you understood the importance of water. So children, always remember to save water and tell others also to save water. Take care and stay safe. Thank you.